How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing an ab workout so you guys can follow along at home. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So the exercise that I have chosen today is going to be scissors. Amazing exercise. You guys are really going to feel it in your abs. We're going to be doing 10 repetitions. Lately, I've been doing 5 repetitions. We're going to bump it up. We're going to do 10. So let's get started. Video is going to be about 10 minutes long. So we'll get into this position. Scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. 10 repetitions. Pretty easy to do, but you will feel it in your abs. Trust me. And we will be doing 100 repetitions this workout. 10 repetitions per set, and 10 sets, we're gonna get 100 repetitions. Eventually too, we're gonna be bumping up these repetitions a little bit. So right now we're doing 10. Eventually in some workouts, we'll start doing 20, might do 15, and we're gonna go from there. So lately though, I've been liking to do 5 repetitions. I'm going to switch it to 10 probably. We'll see. It all depends on the exercise. Some exercises are a little bit harder, so you only want to do 5. Some are a little bit easier, so you want to do 10. Some are super easy, so you want to do 20. It all depends on the exercise, you guys. I've got a pretty good system down. I have a variety of topics that I'm covering on my channel. I have about 10 topics, so I'm pretty happy about that. And then I know what kind of videos to be making on my channel. I just focus on 10 topics and yeah, just make videos on that. Let's get started. 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Feeling it in the abs, you guys. Great exercise to be doing. But yeah, I made a list of ab exercises. I have about 50, which is crazy. And still adding to them every day. Every time I find a new exercise, I will add to it. And yeah, just lots of ab exercises for us to do. In the course, because I don't have 10 topics. I have 11 topics right now. So in the course of roughly 4 days, every 4 days, we'll make 2 ab videos. So every 2 days, 2 ab videos. Again, every 4 days, 2 ab videos. So lots of exercises to do. We got lots of workouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! I make 2 ab videos. I make a pelvic floor. I make a Kegel video. I make forearm videos. Vein videos, push-up videos, hand grip exercises, and hickey videos. And how to lose weight. How to lose weight I recently added in, and that's amazing. There are so many exercises you can do for weight loss. Like I have at least 100, easily 100. So I'm really excited for that one. Just a ton of potential. The one thing I was thinking about is swapping out the hand grippers. That's the only one that I'm kind of unsure about. Let's do another 10 reps in 5 seconds. Getting ahead of myself. Forearms. Okay, 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do 20 reps if you want on this exercise too. 10's pretty easy, I'm not gonna lie, but still we're doing 100 repetitions, so still a lot. So, but yeah, the one topic for my channel that I'm a little bit unsure of is the hand grippers. That's one of my topics, hand grips. We'll be doing different exercises for the hand. With hand grippers, we'll be doing different workouts. The topic that I was thinking about switching it out for would be losing chest fat. So chest fat topic. That one, pretty popular. So I don't know what to do. I could also add chest fat in as another topic, but I don't know if hand grippers We'll have to try it out, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we'll have to try it out and see how it goes. But again, having the 2 ab videos, the Kegel video, the pelvic floor, the veins, the forearms, jawline, push-ups, losing weight. I'm super stoked. Like, I am so stoked. These are all of my favorite exercises to do, and it's all of my subscribers' favorite exercises. I've been taking analytics, views, subscriber counts on all the most popular videos on my channel, and those are all of my topics. So I'm just gonna center around those. And I might add in one topic where I just focus on random stuff, maybe like a different kind of video every week, but we'll see how that goes. Right now, I'm loving this. I get to do all my fun exercises, and you guys get a ton of great exercises. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! I would say my favorite workouts to do, probably abs. Abs are my favorite workout to do. Favorite videos to make are abs. Then I would go and say, I would go with Kegels. Kegels are freaking amazing to make. I would then go with forearms. Forearms are amazing. Then push-ups, and then losing weight. Losing weight, it's just, it's pretty general exercises. There'll be lots of different ones: standing, sitting, being mobile, which just means moving a little bit, like mobile exercises. So many different exercises you can do. Okay, we'll do another 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Feeling it, you guys. Feeling it in my abs. But yeah, so far today I have made, this is my 8th video I am making, so pretty pumped about that. Again, what I do is I schedule my videos. So if I make 9 today, that's my goal, is 9, which I will make. Then I publish 3 today, and then I just keep scheduling them. 3 the next day, 3 the day after, 3 the day after. I'm already 6 days ahead of schedule. So if anything happens, I get sick, can't make videos, I'm already 6 days ahead. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that. When I used to do this, I would be ahead, I would stay ahead by usually 3 weeks when I did this before. Do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. It's sweet because I can't just make 3 videos per day, but that's the upload frequency that is right now on YouTube the most popular. 3 videos per day. I see it a lot with top channels. I know some channels will make 1 video every week, once a month, but for me, I can't do that. I don't get that many views on my videos. Like, I don't get 1 million views on my videos. So for me, 3 videos is the best frequency for my business. And yeah, just 3 videos per day. But I like making more than 3 per day. So instead of just making 3 every single day, I'm gonna make 9, 12 videos per day, and then just schedule them. So I'm that much ahead. And yeah, I've been smoking my goals, been making 9 per day, and yeah, killing it. Another 10 reps, then we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Crazy workout. What I might do next time for scissors is I might do 20 reps. 10 reps, my abs are sore, but I feel like maybe 15 reps or 20 reps would have been a little bit better. But still, 10 reps, amazing workout. We got 100 repetitions in. So great job if you guys have been following along at home. I am sweating a little bit, which I don't usually do with my workouts, but just means we were putting in the work. And yeah, comment below. Let me know what you guys have been thinking of the ab videos. I've been mixing it up with the exercises. Again, I have about 50 different ones. We'll go through all of them. Then we'll add in different sets, different reps, different rest times. We'll just keep mixing it up, making you guys get the best 6-pack abs that you can But again, just comment below, let me know. I want to know how you guys are doing. If you guys have any ideas for the channel, and yeah, just comment below, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999.